Hello and welcome back to another DIY with Asa Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be creating this beautiful square mirror tile flower vase with kitchen backsplash. If you would like to see how we create this beautiful item, please continue watching and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay guys, so I'm just going to explain a little bit of this video because it's a little bit of a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just going to clean it to make sure it's in all the dirt because I actually got the vase at the discount store and they're usually pretty dirty. So this is the backsplash we're going to use. This backsplash is from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box, but this is a really easy backsplash to use. You can cut it, you can also peel off the back, but here I'm just going to use it in little squares. I'm using the E8000 glue. They said it's waterproof and we're going to be adding water because of the grout. So what I'm doing now, I'm just putting all the glue on all four sides and then I'm going to tape it so it can secure, and then I would leave this overnight to dry. So just continue watching and I will be back later on. Okay, so I'm using the painter's tape. I'm just gonna go around and tape all four sides to make sure it's securely down. The E8000 glue dries pretty quick, but I would leave it overnight to dry. I'm just putting stuff on there to keep it down, and I'm gonna leave that, and then the next day I'm gonna continue. Okay. Okay, so it's the next day, and so here it is with all the tape and ready to go. So we're going to remove all the tape, and you notice that it's nice and secure. This glue is so awesome. I love this glue. So here it is. I'm just removing all the excess tape, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the grout. Now the grout, I'm gonna be mixing my grout because I used it and it hardened up. But once you get the grout, it's ready to go. You just add your glitter. Okay, so here I'm just again removing all the tape, and then we're going to go ahead and mix the grout, and we'll be back. Okay, so this tile grout, I got it from Amazon, but you can get it at any hardware store. So mine, as I said, I'm mixing mine because I already opened it, and these things, if you don't close it properly, they harden up. But once you purchase the grout, it should be ready. I don't think you need to add anything to it. It should be ready to go. If you want to add a little bit of grout glitter to it, you can go ahead and do so. I did add some grout glitter, which I also purchased at Amazon, and as I said, I will leave the link of all the items. What link I can leave, I will leave all the where I purchased all the items from. So as I said, I'm just gonna mix mine because I left mine open, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it, and then I will be back once it's done. Okay, so after we add the glitter glow, that's a choice. It's up to you if you want to do that. We're going to go ahead and then we're going to make sure we use a spatula, and we're just going to add the grout into the tile all on all four sides. We're going to want to make sure it gets in between the tiles, just like you see people doing kitchen backsplash, same thing. So we're going to make sure this is done on all four sides. The same thing I'm doing here, it's the same thing we're going to do on all four sides. guys, so we're gonna go ahead and clean off the grout. You can leave it sitting for about 10 minutes, but not too, not too long. So you're gonna need water and sponge, not the biggest sponge that I have here, but that's all I had. So what you're gonna put the sponge in full a bucket of water or a small basin or whatever, and you're going to keep doing all four sides until all the excess grout is cleaned off. You don't want to clean off the in between the tile. You're just going to make sure it comes off on the top and give it a nice clean look, and you keep doing this until all four sides are nice and clean and the grout sits. You don't want to take the grout off. You want to make sure the grout stays in between the tile. So we're going to do this on all four sides until it's nice and clean. Okay guys, so here it is, all ready to go, nice and clean. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to cover those corners up, and this is called a car trim. It's got a little bit of red tape at the back. You want to remove that tape, and you want to make sure that your corners are well dry. And I used the glue gun here because doing the video it's faster to add, but if you want to make sure it's well taken, use the Gorilla Glue, or you can also use construction glue as well. So here I just use the Gorilla Glue because of the video, but I went ahead and as you can see, I'm trying to get rid of the clear strip on top. So you can see the shine, but this is really easy to use. And here again, I'm going to take off the strip at the back, and then I'm going to add the glue, the hot glue, and then I'm going to put it on, hold it down for a few minutes, and let it dry. And you do this on all four sides. Okay guys, so what are we doing now? We're just going to clean off the excess grout and give it a little bit of shine, and it should be good to go. There it is, such a pretty piece. I did two, so there they are guys. You can also use a budget friendly one. I found these backsplash at Dollarama, which is the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I paid like $4. I'm gonna do that in another video and see how that turned out. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys. So this concludes this DIY video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I'm sorry if I talk too much. Here it is on my fireplace. Oh my god, I'm in love with this, guys. So pretty, guys. You should look at the backsplash is a little expensive, but it's such a pretty piece. Okay, guys, so once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY video. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.